Welcome to the Learning Pines YouTube. We hope this video helps.
You start by confirming 3 essentials: your school account access, the classroom link, and the meeting code. Once done, plug in or charge the laptop to at least 50% and attach headphones with a mic so audio is reliable. Then open the Learning Management site, the Browser tab for class materials, and the Video app. Log into each using the same account. This minimizes login delays and prevents audio conflicts during the first 5 minutes of class. You join the session 5 minutes early to check webcam framing and mute status. This avoids interrupting the instructor. Once the class begins, use chat and the raise hand feature for questions, and follow instructor cues for when to unmute. If you need to present, share your screen only when assigned and close unrelated tabs, plus disable notifications to protect privacy. These habits keep the class focused and reduce technical interruptions, so you wrap up by saving files to the cloud, syncing notes to the LMS, and logging out of school accounts to secure your session. Make sure to check assignments and recordings immediately so you know next steps. Download any assets while they are available. If audio or video fails, first restart the Video app, then reconnect the USB or Bluetooth device. If issues persist, restart the laptop or switch to a phone hotspot. This usually restores connectivity quickly and lets you catch the remaining material.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.